Stay up here. What you doing, JoJo?
More rain.
More rain. Where is the rain, JoJo?
Right here.
The rain's right here? What is it doing to you?
Rock.
Don't you jump. Oh my. Big jumpers. No, hold it. You should show Mama your jumpers again. Oh, Charlotte, watch out. Yeah, go sit in the other chair. Show Mama you're jumping. Show Mama you're jumping. Nope. What do you see, JoJo?
Here.
What is that, JoJo?
Rain.
It's rain. Don't you go. Yeah. Oops, sorry.
Daddy, right here.
Daddy is right here. He's watching the horsey race. What's JoJo doing?
And flower. Daddy and flower.
Yeah, you want to go in?
No.
No.
Cause rain. Daddy, cause rain.
Sissy's car's in the rain? Don't you go. Don't you go. You stay up here. Stinker. Alright, love you all. Say bye-bye, Grandma.
You say bye. Say bye-bye.
She's gonna watch it. Say bye-bye, Grandma.
Bye-bye, Grandma.
Say bye-bye, Grandpa.
Bye-bye, Grandpa.
Say bye-bye, Rain.
Bye-bye, rain.
Say rain, rain, go away. Say it. Say rain, rain, go away.
Rain, rain, go away.
Can you do it, JoJo?
Go away.
Come again.
Come
Say come again.
again.
Another day.
Come.
Little JoJo wants to play. Oh, you have my tea. Thank you. You have my tea. Say little JoJo wants to play.
So does Big Sissy today.
So does Big Sissy. Hey, Big Sissy went on a boat today. Daddy took her fishing. And she got to make lunch out of her Dora cookbook. And all she had to do was put away her clothes and clean up a little bit in her bedroom. I see you, Stinker. Don't you go down
But I
there.
skipped 3 of the fun things I could have had been doing.
Yeah.
And only one.
JoJo, don't you think
And only
about it.
one of the cleaning things.
No down. Up.
Up.
Up. No down. No down. Up. Up on the porch. Alright. Bye-bye, guys. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, that hurt fun. Why did you have to do that?
Say love you. Oh, he's giving lovies. Oh, lovies. Bye-bye.
Don't scream at me.